Oregano, Origanum vulgare, is an herb that is a member of the mint family, Labiataceae. Oregano has been considered a precious plant commodity for over 2,500 years in folk medicines that originated across the globe. It has a very long use in traditional medicine for treating colds, indigestion and upset stomachs. You might have some experience cooking with fresh or dried oregano leaves such as oregano spice, one of the top herbs for healing. But oregano essential oil is far from what you'd put in your pizza sauce. Found in the Mediterranean, throughout many parts of Europe, and in South and Central Asia. Medicinal-grade oregano is distilled to extract the essential oil from the herb, which is where a high concentration of the herb's active constituents are found. It takes over 1,000 pounds of wild oregano to produce just 1 pound of oregano essential oil. The oil's active ingredients are preserved in alcohol and used in essential oil form both topically and internally. Oil of oregano contains two powerful compounds called carvacrol and thymol, both of which have been shown in studies to have strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Oregano Oil Benefits. Natural alternative to antibiotics. What's the problem with frequently using antibiotics? Broad-spectrum antibiotics can be dangerous because they don't only kill bacteria that are responsible for infections. They also kill good bacteria that we need for optimal health. Overuse of antibiotics, and prescribing broad-spectrum drugs when they aren't needed, can cause a range of problems. It can make the drugs less effective against the bacteria they are intended to treat by fostering the growth of antibiotic-resistant infections. And it can wipe out the body's good bacteria, which help digest food, produce vitamins and protect from infections. In contrast, what does oil of oregano do for you that makes it so beneficial? Essentially, taking oregano oil is a broad-spectrum approach to protecting your health. Its active ingredients help fight multiple types of harmful pathogens, including bacteria, yeast and fungi. As a study in the Journal of Medicinal Food Journal stated in 2013, oregano oils represent an inexpensive source of natural antibacterial substances that exhibited potential for use in pathogenic systems. Helps treat digestive issues. Several of the active compounds found in oregano oil can help to aid digestion by relaxing the muscles of the GI tract and also helping to balance the ratio of good to bad bacteria in the gut. Thymol, one of oregano's active compounds, is a similar compound to menthol, which is found in peppermint oil. Like menthol, thymol may help relax the soft tissue of the throat and stomach, which can help to decrease gastroesophageal reflux disease, heartburn and discomfort after eating. Because it helps balance bacteria and fights yeast overgrowth, oregano essential oil is also a popular natural treatment for candida and small intestine bacterial overgrowth. SIBO is a common digestive problem that causes gas, bloating and intolerances to many carbohydrate-containing foods. Oregano oil hinders bacterial replication and can be used similarly to antibiotic medications for treating infections that affect digestive health and nutrient absorption. Can help treat parasites. One study found that when adults whose stools tested positive for enteric parasites supplemented with 600 milligrams of oregano for 6 weeks, many experienced significant gastrointestinal symptoms. There was a gastrointestinal symptom improvement in 7 of the 11 patients who had tested positive for enteric parasites, which tends to cause symptoms like nausea, gas, bloating, and abdominal pain. Helpful for managing inflammatory conditions. Oregano retains its strong antioxidant capacity in both fresh and dry form. Due to its high concentration of antioxidants, oregano essential oil can help reduce oxidative damage and help in preventing mutagenesis, carcinogenesis, and aging. Free radicals are believed to be a contributing factor to common chronic conditions including cancer, cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative disorders, and drug toxicity. One study found that combined treatment with thyme and oregano essential oils helped to reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, and thereby may help attenuate colitis in mice. Other studies show that oregano oil is beneficial for treating recurring respiratory disorders, tumor growth, and rheumatoid arthritis. Researchers from the Universidad Nacional de Córdoba in Argentina found evidence that essential oil isolated from Origanum vulgare presents antibacterial, antioxidant, and chemopreventive properties and could play an important role as bioprotector agent. Helps treat athlete's foot. The researchers concluded that thermotherapy combined with essential oils and salt would be promising to treat tinea pedis in a foot bath. After testing the fungicidal activity of 11 essential oils against the bacteria known to cause athlete's foot, oregano oil was found to be the most powerful. Helps reduce side effects from medications, drugs. In recent years, many studies have found that one of the most promising oregano oil benefits is helping to reduce side effects from medications, drugs. These studies give hope to people who want to find a way to manage the horrible suffering that accompanies drugs and medical interventions, such as chemotherapy or use of drugs for chronic conditions like arthritis. A study published in the International Journal of Clinical and Experimental Medicine showed that phenol in oil of oregano can help protect against methotrexate toxicity in mice. Methotrexate is a drug commonly used to treat a wide array of issues from cancer to rheumatoid arthritis, but it's also well known to have dangerous side effects. After evaluating oil of oregano's ability to keep these factors at bay, researchers believe it's due to oregano's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Oregano was shown to work better than drugs that are ineffective at providing full protection against methotrexate adverse effects. Similarly, research conducted in the Netherlands showed that oregano essential oil can also prevent bacterial overgrowth and colonization in the large intestine during oral iron therapy. Used to treat iron deficiency anemia, oral iron therapy is known to cause a series of gastrointestinal issues like nausea, diarrhea, constipation, heartburn, and vomiting. It's believed that carvacrol targets the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria and increases membrane permeability, thereby causing depletion of harmful bacteria. In addition to its antimicrobial properties, carvacrol also interferes with certain pathways for bacterial iron handling, which helps to lower side effects of iron therapy.